So actually yesterday I just bought my new table, so I'm gonna show you how I set it up and put on my monitor laptop into this video. So enjoy the video, guys. So we got the, buku panduan thing. Yeah, how to. Oh, we don't need them. Psych. No, I'm joking. Need them. Okay. So. Okay. Huh? Like this. Okay, we gotta unpack all of these things. So yeah, wish me luck. So I gotta put every single thing out. Okay, there's ada marknya. So every single part of the table. Oh shit, my ass, goddamn. Fuck. So, wow, styrofoam shit. Okay, it has like numbers on it. Yeah, so we can assemble all the thing easily. Oh yeah, so yeah, there we go. Okay, I guess we don't need a 说明书，这是说明书。This is a buku petunjuk, bro. Yes. We don't need these. Ah yeah. Put all the things out. Ah shit. One. Okay, I got number 15. Here's the other screwdriver. Other screw. Oh, actually got a screwdriver. Shit. Cool. I'm gonna put it over here. It's heavy, guys. And the most large thing. I'm gonna put it. I have no space left, so I'm gonna put it outside. Oh shit. What did I just tap? Okay. I'm gonna put it like right here. Back in. No, it's okay. So what's the first thing we need to do? Yes, step number 1. They show me the replica right here. This is like the table will be look like. So step 1. We're gonna arrange all the what the nggak tahu. So the first thing is, okay, we gotta put number 3 with with this kind of, you know, can you guys look? This guy's a screw. So where's number 5? Number 3. Where's number 3? Oh shit. I gotta search up for number 3. No, this is not number 4. Maybe it's somewhere else. Oh, this is number 3. The huge ass one. Oh shit. Number 3. Ah shit, what the fuck? So yeah, this is number. Oh, this is the ground. Oh yeah, this is the ground part. So we're gonna put something right here. Okay. And we got we got this other shit. Oh. Ooh, hold up. I found something interesting. Do you guys wanna see? Whoa. They actually did something great, guys. They put a mark. Can you guys see? They put letter A. They put the letter A, and to give a mark there, like which screw should I use? Oh, this is the letter B. Letter B, and letter C. Letter D. What is after D? A, B, C, D, E. Okay, letter E. Oh, the small guy one. Letter E. And F. And the last one. Where's G? Oh, here. G. Letter G. Okay, is it very cool? Okay, so the instruction books tell us to okay, we need number 4. Where's number 4? Number 4. So it's 2 or 4. This might be number 4. Oh wait, this is 6. Number 4 di mana ya? This is 5. 7. Wait, hold on. This is 6. Okay. Ah shit. Oh, you number 4. So they asked me to, what is it? So after setting up all my shit, this is how it's gonna be look like.
DA got that dope. Ice water turn Atlantic. Night calling in a phantom. Told them hold it, don't you panic. Took an island, fled the mansion. Drop the roof, more expansion. Drive a coupe, you can stand it. Bitches undercover. I'm an ass and titty lover. Guess we all meant for each other.